some multiplication of money. Okay, about exercise 54, right? Like addition and subtraction. In case of multiplication, multiplication is more easier than the addition and subtraction, you know, right? So let us take some questions here saying multiply 20 into 4. This is 20 paisa, okay? 20 paise into 4. So write 20 paise into 4 like this and do the multiplication. 4 0 ja 0, 4 2 ja 8. So it is answer will be what? 80 paisa, right? You have done much more in the previous class also. I mean, next question is here. Suppose saying 75 paisa into 6. Okay, right? 75p into 6. Okay, 6 is again one number. Here is also one digit number. So 6 will be written below the ones place digit. Okay, below the ones place digit. That is equal to what? 6 5 ja 30, 0. 3 will be taken as carry, right? 6 7 ja 42. So 42 plus 3 is equal to what? 45. So this becomes 450 paisa, right? 450 paisa. We know 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee, right? Or you can write like this, rupee 1, right? So this will be 450 paisa is equal to what? Rupees. Okay, takes separate 400. Okay, this will be what? Write it like this. We can write 400 paisa plus 50 paisa, right? 400 paisa plus 50 paisa. Since 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee, 400 paisa is equal to how much rupees? 4 rupees, right? That is equal to 4 rupees per plus 50 paisa. And now putting the point, we can write this rupees 450. 4.50, okay? That is 4.50. So this will be the answer. This is also correct, not wrong, okay? But since it exceeds the 100 paisa, that there comes a rupee, right? So that is why this can be written like this. For better understanding or for better abbreviation, you can do this, okay? Next questions. Next type of questions are is equal to, suppose 20 paisa into 8. Okay, this can be done. 20 paisa and 8, multiply this. 8 0 is 0, 8 2 is 16, 160 paisa. Okay, now this can be written 100 paisa plus 60 paisa. Now 100 paisa equal to rupee 1 plus 60 paisa, right? So that is equal to rupee 1.60. This is the answer. Okay. In case of larger number, right? In case of larger number, suppose it is given rupees like this. Okay. Question number 2, you can see 49.20 into 4. This is also very easy. Do the multiplication. 4 0 is 0, 4 2 is 8. Okay, then point is there, I put point. 4 9 is 36, 6, 3 will be taken as carry. 4 4 is 16 plus 3 19, and then symbol of rupees. Okay, so this is the answer. In question number 2, you can do like this. Okay, Question number, sorry, that is question number 3. This is question number 3. All questions can be done like this. Okay. Next come to question number 4. Question number 4 is, remember I am always telling that 100 paisa makes 1 rupee. So 200 paisa makes 2 rupees, 400 paisa makes 4 rupees. In case of question number 4, there are given like this rupee, okay, not rupees, rupee 0.15 into 8. We will do it. 8 into 5, 8 5 ja 40, 0 will write, 4 will be taken as carry, 8 1 ja 8 plus 4 how much? 12. So 2 will be written. Not 12 we can't write, okay, because there is a point. After 2 places we will put the point, and point will be put on the same places, okay, on the same place. Now 8 0 ja 0 plus 1 1. So this is RS 1.20. Okay. Similarly, question number B rupees 0.70 into 9. Okay. See, 9 0 ja 0. Now 9 7 ja how much? 63 3, and that point is there. I put point 6 I took as a carry. Now again 9 0 is 0 plus 6 6. So this is rupee 6.30 or 30 paisa. Okay. Like this, question number 4. Question number 5 says, question number 5, there are also given, no, not bit yet, I am doing bit C, okay, that is rupees 98.45 into 7. Do it. 7 5 ja 35, 5, 3 taken as carry, 7 4 ja 28 plus 3 how much? 31, 1 I wrote here, okay, 3 is carry now. Then point will be coming, because after 2 place point will be there. Point will be there in the same place. I told you always, and again I am telling. 7 8 how much? 56. 7 8 is 56 plus carry 3, that is equal to 59. So 9, again 5 will be taken as carry here. 7 9 is how much? 63 again, right? That is equal to how much? 68 total. So 68. This is rupees this much. 689.15 paisa. Question number 6 is given like this. Multiply 12 rupees 25 paisa by 3. Okay. So you will write like this. 12 rupees 25 paisa into 3. Okay. 3 5 ja 15, 1 carry, 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7. 75 paisa, and now 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. This much rupees. Okay. The word rupees and paisa also have not changed their position, right? Where they were, they are written only the same places. On the same place. Okay. This is all about the what? Multiplication. So next we will do some division. Okay. Yes. Next we will do some division. Okay. Division of money, that is about exercise 55. Okay. Suppose division, divide, written divide 96 paisa by 3. We know how to divide, right? 96 is our dividend and divisor is 3, right? We can say 3 3 ja 9, then this is 0, then it becomes 6, 3 2 ja 6, remainder 0. So this is answer. Okay. Again divide rupees 85 by 5. Similarly 85 will be the dividend and 5 will be the divisor. 5 in the table of 5 there is no 8 or 8 doesn't come. So we will take below 8, 5 1 is 5, then 3 and then comes 5. Now in the 5 tables look for 35, 5 7 is 35. So 5 7 is 35. Okay, 0. So this quotient will be our answer. Okay. Suppose saying divide 66 rupees and 66 paisa by 6. Okay, by 6. We will say 6 1 is 6. Then again 6. 6 1 is 6. Okay. 6 minus 6 0. So again 6 comes. So 6 1 is 6 again. Now this much rupees. So here our quotient will be 11 rupees. Okay. Here you need to write 11 rupees and then nothing is there. Okay. We will then come to 66 paisa. Here 6. 6 1 is 6. This is 0. Again this 6. This is 6. So 6 1 is 6. Okay. This is 0. Now this much paisa. This will be the answer. Okay. 11 rupees and 11 paisa will be the answer. Or we can write 11 rupees. Okay. Like this you can write. Next one is rupees. Next type of questions you can find here. Rupees, find rupees 50.60 divided by 5. Okay. So write 50.60 directly. 50.60. Right. This is your rupees and this is paisa. Divided by 5 will be our divisor. 5 1 is 5. Then nothing. 0. 5 0 is 0. Okay. Then nothing. Comma is there. I put here comma in the quotient. And comes 6. Right. This one. 6 1 is 6. 5 1 is 5. Okay. Then 1. Then 0 comes. So 5 2 is what? 10. Okay. So this is this much. Answer will be rupees 10.12. This will be the answer. Okay. In this way you can do exercise 54 and 55. And if any doubt will be there, then you can ask me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next video.